Welcome to NitroNovae, where precision and quality shape every aluminum cylinder we produce. Here's an inside look at our meticulous process. First, we cut the aluminum bar into blocks, creating the initial blank that forms the foundation of our cylinders. Next, the blanks are immersed in a lubrication pool. This reduces friction during the forming process and ensures smooth operation. We use high-temperature suitable lubricants for optimal performance. The lubricated blanks are then heated in a furnace to approximately 450-500 degrees Celsius, preparing them for extrusion. During hot extrusion, the heated aluminum blanks are shaped into long, hollow cylinders by being forced through a die. This step ensures uniform thickness and strength. The top end of the cylinder is then shrunk to create a rough cylinder form, setting the stage for precision threading and further refinement. The rough cylinders are heated to around 500 degrees Celsius in a solution treatment, allowing alloying elements to dissolve into the solid solution, enhancing ductility. Immediately after solution treatment, the cylinders are rapidly cooled in water, locking the alloying elements in a supersaturated state to improve material strength. The cylinders are then reheated to approximately 175 degrees Celsius for the aging process. This allows the precipitation of alloying elements, increasing the cylinder's strength and hardness. We drill M10-Wo1 threads on the top of the cylinder, preparing it for secure valve installation. Each cylinder undergoes a hydraulic pressure test to ensure it can handle the specified pressure without any leaks. Selected samples are subjected to burst tests to confirm they meet safety standards under extreme conditions. Each cylinder is engraved with a unique factory number, ensuring easy traceability and quality assurance. Finally, the cylinders are thoroughly cleaned to remove any manufacturing residues and contaminants, ensuring they are ready for safe use.